Hi, lovely people. How are you today? I'm doing great because I have another unboxing to open. This is the December 2018 My Paper Box. It's a stationery subscription, and this is the $10 subscription. Now, I have been unboxing the grand subscription, which is worth $28. I already did that unboxing. I will leave that down below. And I just got a coupon code for you guys for the grand one, that if you use my code with my link with the code VIP10, you can get the subscription for $10 instead of paying $28. Now, November, I was kind of like, December, I love the month, and I cannot wait to see what January will be because it's after the holidays, because it comes themed every month. So I'm really excited to see what it is. I kind of really like that subscription. I wasn't always into stationery, but I do really like it. And a lot of you guys said that you really enjoyed it, but $28 was kind of, a little high to try it out. So if you use that code and use my link, you can get it for $10. So that I think is great. This one is just $10, and I kind of like it too. You do get 3 notepads, and it is custom with your name on it. It is also themed every month, and let's just open it up and see what it looks like. This is also day 9 of the 12 days of giveaway. So after I get done unbagging this, I will show you what is going to be in day 9. I can't believe that it's almost over. And then I'll explain the rules a little bit as well. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes like this. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. Make sure there's not a card. All right, let me open it up. It has like my paper box, December 2018. Okay. All right, so there we go. All right, so this month, like I said, you always get 3 notepads. This has my name, Anne, right there, and it says, can I read it? Isn't it funny how day by day nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different. Now that is so true. So that's really, really pretty. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know if it will focus. Will it focus? I don't know. And you get quite a few papers in here too. I don't know how many you get, but there we go. The next one says, remember, Anne, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. That is so true. And there we go. And again, you get quite a few pieces of paper. And last but not least, it says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Anne. So there we go. And again, and then it opens like this, and you get quite a few. So I do like it. Like I said, it is $10, and I do like it. I really do. I didn't think I was into stationery until I start getting this, and I have really used it, especially in the big box where you get the planner and everything else. So I like it. So let me know what you think of this box. Would you pay $10 for it? Have you ever heard of this subscription before? Let me know. All right, so now that we got that away, so like I said, it is day 9. And if you are new, it's the first time you're watching it, I am doing a 12 days of giveaway. Instead of doing one big giveaway for the holiday, it really gets me, I don't know, I get upset when I can only pick 1 or 2 or 3 winners because I want all of you guys to win something, So I figured if I did it 12 days, then you guys have more chances of winning. So I use Gleam, which will always be down in my description box, and you can enter every single day if you want. You can enter 2 times, 3 times, any time that you want to enter. Well, not times, because you can only enter once, but days, each giveaway, let's say that. And so if you win 2, 3, that's fine. It's not like if you win 1, then you can't win them all, Depends if you're lucky. But if you win more than 1, make sure you play that lottery. All right, and yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Make sure you leave the Gleam because each giveaway, each day will be a different Gleam account. And it is always open up. All my giveaways are open up international. Any kind of giveaway that I have through the whole year, I enjoy giving back to you guys, you know. And the reason why I'm using Gleam is because this is kind of very expensive. It is like over $600 worth of things for the 12 days. Over 600, I know that. And then plus with shipping and everything else, it is really expensive. So I want to give to somebody that truly supports me and is subscribed, not somebody that's just coming in looking for a giveaway and then unsubscribe, because it's not fair to you guys. So that's why I'm doing Gleam, because I know people have asked me. And I'll show you in a second. Let me think if there's anything else. So make sure you like this video because it does help me out. So there's only 3 things that you have to do. You have to like this video, you have to be subscribed, and you have to comment. But you have to comment a certain thing. Now, I don't say it in the description box, and I don't say it through Gleam, because that's cheating. That way I know you guys are watching my videos and it's only fair. So the comments of this day, I'm never prepared, never. Let me know how tall you are. I don't know, that just came, I don't know why I thought of that. Put in the comments below how tall you are. Okay, so the giveaway today is going to be 2 things. It is the Pure Cosmetics My Little Pony thing. I don't want to open it because it's packaged very nicely, and then I could just put it in the box. So this is the Pure Limited Edition, Pure Cosmetics Limited Edition My Little Pony eyeshadow palette and the brush set of the My Little Pony. So you got the eyeshadow palette and the brush set. So I don't want to open this either, but you can see it. I don't know if you can read where it says Pure right there. And I like it because it comes with a little bag with it, with the brushes. So you got the whole set. And you know, I was looking earlier, I'm like, almost every single day I've been giving away eyeshadow palettes. I just like to give back things that I enjoy. I want you guys to try. So yeah, make sure that you guys comment what I told you. Make sure that you're subscribed, and please like this video because it really does help me out. And I think that's basically it. That's all I have to say. So anyway, guys, I leave videos right here as per usual if you want to watch more of me. And if you are the first time watching this, make sure you check the other videos so you can enter the other giveaways. All right, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I love you. And I'll see you guys. I don't know what's going on with my computer. I got to get another computer. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.